Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward tutorial on how to transfer USDT from the Earn section to your funding wallet in OKX. If you're into crypto, you know that OKX is one of the top platforms for trading and earning, and this process is super useful for managing your assets, especially as we head into 2025 with new features rolling out. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have the OKX app installed on your phone or you're logged into the website on your computer. You'll need a verified OKX account with some USDT in your Earn wallet. That's where you might have staked or earned interest on your crypto. Step 1. Open the OKX app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Earn tab, usually found at the bottom of the app or in the main menu on the desktop version. This is where all your staking and earning activities are managed. Next, select the USDT asset from your Earn portfolio. You'll see a list of your earnings. Tap or click on USDT to view the details. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. In OKX, this might be labeled as Redeem or Move to Wallet, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've selected Transfer, you'll be prompted to choose the destination. Pick Funding Account as your target. This is your main wallet for trading and withdrawals. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, making sure it's within your available balance. Before you confirm, double-check the network details. USDT is often on the Tron or ERC20 network, so ensure it matches to avoid any fees or failed transactions. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Review it carefully and approve the transfer. After a few moments, your USDT should appear in your funding wallet. It might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully moved your funds. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on transaction fees, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.